Hello you guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Because today's grocery shopping day, I'm gonna head out in just a few minutes, but I thought I would kind of do a little play on my last video. So my last video, I showed you guys a bunch of different bowl meals and I got some really good feedback. A lot of you said you really liked the video, you'd like to see more meal ideas or things like that. Something I missed sharing in that video was kind of the whole prep of going into the week of those meals. Normally right at the beginning of the week, I like to do my grocery shopping normally on Monday. It was a downpour raining yesterday, so I was not gonna go to the grocery store in the rain. I hate grocery shopping in the rain. I've said this before, I just don't get my groceries delivered because I like to see my options. At the beginning of the week, I write down all of the meals that we're gonna have for the week. This week, we're doing really similar to what I shared in last week's video. We're doing some chicken bowls, salmon bowls, burgers. We just did tacos last night and I have a lot left over. We're going out to eat one night, so I know I don't have to plan for that night, and then I know we'll have some leftovers from this, so I think we should be pretty good with just those meals for the rest of the week. So then I go through, make my grocery list, I assess the pantry. Here's a little update on it because I did do a whole video on how we redid this pantry, and I do have to say it's still probably like one of my most favorite areas of the house. Like, I'm obsessed with our pantry. It's still pretty clean for the most part, but at the beginning of the week, another thing I like to do is kind of go through, see if anything's expired, see what we're out of stock on. Most importantly, we need more chocolate chips. That's gonna be on the list. Some brown sugar. We've been baking some cookies a lot lately. So those are a few things that we're gonna have to get. I assess what's in the refrigerator, what meat we already have, frozen, whatever. I keep a little pad on the refrigerator. So these are things I've been randomly writing down whenever I see that we're out of something, and then I think of anything else that we need for our dinners and stuff like that, and then I write that on our list too. Another quick tip is that I like to put everything in order on the grocery list, like in order of the way the store is. It makes it go so much easier and so much faster. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Make my complete list here for the week. I think I'm also gonna head to Aldi today too because they have really good prices on meats or like little snacky things. And we do have a couple things going on this upcoming weekend with Labor Day and stuff where I might want to bring something or just have like little easy snacky items like that. So I'm probably gonna go to Aldi and our main grocery store, which is Meijer. So we'll be doing a little bit of extra work today going to Aldi. Everything's in order of the store, except the whole Aldi situation, how I'm going to 2 stores today. I guess that might screw me up a little bit, but we'll be fine. Here's my running errands OOTD today. Guys, I literally don't dress cute anymore. I feel like I always am just wearing activewear all the time. Cute little hat because it's technically hair washing day. I wear this bag all the time. It's a few years old. This little shirt is adorable from Target. Some Gymshark shorts, and these are the platform Vans, which I actually wear all the time. Are you ready for the Aldi haul, Meijer grocery store haul? Here we go. This is everything that I got for the week. This is all the Aldi stuff over here. So I did need some more baking things. I've never tried their chocolate chips before, but we're giving them a shot. Normally I'm a Toll House gal, but got their light brown sugar, some cheese. They always have the best deals on cheese. Got my lettuce, bananas, Roma tomatoes there. Joshua drinks lactose-free milk. I like almond milk. So we got some of those. This is just like a great little wine, this Don't Mind If I Do brand. I have got it before, and it's great to just bring if you're going to a little party and you want to show up with something. I think it's actually pretty yummy. We've gotten it before and it's really affordable, and I don't know, it's just like cute packaging, 0 sugar, low calorie, gluten-free. So I grabbed one of those. I'm telling you, Aldi has my favorite pickles. If you've never got these before, don't sleep on them. All right, I found these while I was there. I haven't bought this brand before, but I usually always get like thin little sandwich thins or whatever at our other grocery store, and I'm pretty sure everything I bought was at least $1 cheaper at Aldi than the regular grocery store. So I thought I would try out this brand because we're gonna do turkey burgers this week too. Some butter, and then I got these pretzel slims. I got a regular plain one and then an everything one, grapes, which I already started digging into. And then everything that I got from Meijer. We got some hummus, lots of avocados. These are the little protein bars I always like to eat, just like if I need a quick little snack. Some more little rice cups, more of these. You guys know I'm obsessed with those probably because I show them all the time. Favorite taco seasoning. Whoopsie. Some salsa, vanilla, sugar, flour, PB2. Guys, if you have not tried PB2 yet, you're missing out. I think it tastes exactly like peanut butter, and I will say my husband Joshua, he's very picky. Like if anything is like too healthy tasting, he's out, you know. It is just so much better for you than regular peanut butter. We originally had this and then we just never went back to regular peanut butter. Like this is just so much better for you. You can just add a little bit of water to it. We'll put it on a rice cake. We made these really good little like rice cakes with chocolate on them. Maybe I'll do those later today in the vlog and show you guys because it was like a viral TikTok thing and they're really yummy. We always get little Skinny Cow treats. Normally, I don't always get these. I always get the cones, but I saw these today and thought Joshua would like those too. And then some chips. Late July is my personal favorite. These are so good. Like, by far the best tortilla chip. And then we always just get Tostitos too, just to have, and Joshua really likes those. So those are all of our groceries. We've got lots of stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and get everything put away really quick because some of this stuff needs to be cold. But I actually already had the majority of my meat. Actually, I'm leaving this hummus out, so I'm gonna need a little bite of that. Really quick, I'm starving. Gonna have a little bit of hummus, and I'm gonna try these little pretzel thingies. Pretzel thins. These are the everything ones. And I see really similar ones. I've actually bought them at Meijer. Oh my gosh. No, that is addicting. So good. We have to at least try the plain ones too. I like the everything one's better. I spent about $40 at Aldi too, by the way. One more thing I like to do to keep my dinner prep going pretty fast. This lettuce that I just got, I just chopped it all up and put it in my salad spinner, or my lettuce spinner, whatever it's called. Chopping lettuce, washing it, all that while you're trying to make dinner. I gotta be honest, it takes a lot of time and I'm always like, oh great, like if I haven't done it prior. So that is my tip. If you just have a couple of extra minutes during the day, just do it before dinner because it just makes it way easier. Or I think you can buy just like already chopped lettuce too, but for some reason I just always buy this. Don't mind me, I just had to change my shirt because I just got something on it. Okay, I just got a package and I wasn't even expecting it to get here so fast. I just ordered these like 2 nights ago. Cute. Last year I got a pair of high top white Converse sneakers and I wore them, sorry I'm trying to like balance this on something. I wore them all fall and winter because they were almost like a boot because they were just like a high top. And they were leather, so they just held up super well all winter long. And then I found kind of this newer style, and it looks like they're the leather as well, and they're a platform, which I'm 5'2", so I love a good platform. Here's what they look like. They literally just got here. So online it said if you're between sizes, go down a size. I'm normally a 6.5 or a 7 and I just got a 6.5. They're definitely a little bit different with this right here. Like I don't think I've seen a Converse that had this right here, but it's really cute. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but it is like a leather. There was just a canvas one I saw too, but I just like this leather because I know my white ones held up really well last year, so I thought might as well try out the black. So let's see how the sizing is. I'm hoping they work. Oh my goodness, I think they fit perfect. I don't think I need to go down. Yeah, well, there's a little room. This is the thing, me and shoes. I just bought a pair of workout shoes. I ordered my regular size 7. And I told Joshua, I was like, oh, I don't know if these are gonna work. I ordered a 7.5, then I ordered an 8. So I was like, oh, I don't know if these are too small too. I ended up sending them all back and went back to the original 7. Like, me trying on shoes is the worst thing in the world. I'm always so skeptical about my sizing or if I should go up or down or whatever. But, oh my goodness. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. I am obsessed. I gotta get the other one on. Like I said, I'm normally a 6.5 or a 7. I went with the 6.5. Honestly, I feel like I could probably even do a 6. Knowing me, I'm probably just gonna order the 6 just to see. The worst when you spend good money on a pair of shoes and then you realize after walking in them for a while, like, oh great, I ordered the wrong size. I'll leave a link for them down below, but they weren't on sale or anything. But I think these are gonna be really popular for fall and winter. Gotta give you guys a good view of them. Why do I love these so much? Clearly, because she's comfy now, it's later in the evening. I haven't eaten dinner yet. Joshua had plans tonight, so he's not gonna get home till a little bit later. So I'm just gonna have some leftovers in a little bit. But I decided to make those rice cake things I was telling you guys about earlier. They're literally Joshua's favorite. Like, he'll just even eat them as a snack. Sorry, I feel like I'm losing my voice or something. He'll just eat them as a snack during the day. He'll eat them as like a little sweet treat dessert. He just loves them. So I'm gonna make maybe I'll just make 6. This was a viral TikTok recipe. So a lot of you may have already heard of this little recipe. I'm a couple months late to it, but we've made them a few times now. So I have my rice cakes here. You don't need them on a baking sheet, but we have the chocolate ones, which I really prefer the chocolate ones, and regular ones. Here is everything else you'll need. Some chocolate chips. I also just wanted to show you guys these. I've used these before, these lilies. They have less sugar in them. I've used these before. These are good too. Just like a little bit of a healthier option, but Joshua doesn't really care for those. So I'm just gonna do like regular milk chocolate for him. And then the PB2, which I'm sure you can probably just use regular peanut butter for this recipe too, but this is all you need. I'll show you guys what I do to mix up this peanut butter, because some of you might be confused if you've never seen this. It's just powder. And I just put it into a little dish like this. And then I sort of eyeball the water. I just add a little bit of water to it. Then I just use this tiny little whisk. This makes it really easy. I might have added way too much in here. Who knows? But then I just mix it around till it's like actual peanut butter consistency. Or you can just take a spoon or whatever and put the peanut butter on each rice cake. I may have made my peanut butter a tad bit too watery, honestly. Let's just add a little more. The original recipe says to add a little bit of coconut oil to the chocolate chips, but I don't have any. So I've done this before without coconut oil and just melted them in the microwave. I just check on them like every 30 seconds or so. You can add a little salt to the top of these, but Joshua is not like a salt on his chocolate type of guy. If I've ever added a little bit of salt to a chocolate chip cookie or something, he's just not really into it, so I'm not gonna ruin it for him. These will be a nice little surprise for him when he comes home, because he really likes these. Here they are, before they all topple over. Here they are. It says in the directions to put them in the freezer. This is my only problem with putting them in the freezer, because I did this the past 2 times I made these. Once I take them out of the freezer, and if I want to put leftover ones in the refrigerator, it's almost like this moisture kind of starts happening. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I'm gonna try to just keep them in the fridge this time, because I still have a couple hours before Joshua's gonna be home tonight, and I'm just gonna see if they harden up enough like in the refrigerator. Okay, so I'll have to come up with some sort of way to cover these now. But now that Joshua's home, I think this will help with the moisture, because I think when they were thawing from the freezer, that's what was making them almost like wet. He's chose the chocolate one. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Is it as good as the last time I made them or no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's a real close-up of you eating. Oh my gosh, this is what dude does when he wants something. He goes to the pantry.
What?
Dude, you've already had everything.
No. Well, I got chocolate fingers.
We're gonna go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll have links down below for things. If you guys are interested, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video.